Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the no bra zone. I'm going to get my black and white on today. I'm just kind of doing a little bit of an experiment. This is a reused canvas that I scraped and sanded down a little bit and cleaned it and put it aside for a couple of weeks till it was totally dry. Because like I've told you before, in 2020, if I do a painting and I don't love it, or somebody else doesn't love it, I'm gonna scrape over it and start again, because these gallery wrap canvases are very, very expensive. This little guy here would be about $35 if I did not buy it on sale. It's the only time I buy my gallery wraps, when Michael's has a sale. Buy one, get two free, or something similar to that. So we're reusing this canvas today. Now my base coat is going to be, let me grab my paints. My base coat today is going to be Artist Loft Black, and my pouring medium is my usual pouring medium, 75% Floetrol to 25% GAC 800. My swiping colors are going to be white. We're just using black and white. Now we're going to see if we get a little gray when those two mix. I'm hoping not too much. Now I have a couple of cups here. The cup with the little stick is a mix of Artist Loft White and Satin Enamel White. Those two are mixed together 50-50 with my pouring medium, which is 75% Floetrol and 25% GAC 800. This cup with the taller stick in it is Folk Art White Milk Paint, and it's almost impossible to find this. I think that they're eliminating it, so I kind of keep this under lock and key and only pull it out every once in a while. So that milk paint is mixed with my pouring medium as well. Oh, I also put a little bit of the titanium white in both of these paints, because this is just a brilliant, brilliant white. Golden products, guys, they rock. You need to give them a try. I know they're expensive, but you need so little of them. 1 part paint to 4 to 5 parts pouring medium. When you use one of those little Deco Art bottles, it's 50-50 with pouring medium to paint. So they really go a long way. I really love them. So I'm going to get busy, prep my canvas. Remember, little straw is the satin enamel mix. Taller straw is the milk paint mix. We just want to kind of test and see what happens with these two paints on our black base coat. So I'm going to get quiet, put some really cool music on for you guys to listen to, and I'm gonna rock and roll to a little Todd Rundgren and Boss Skaggs and a bunch of other people I have on my playlist. So wishing you all a good day of painting, and let's get busy, guys.